Welcome to my new video. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn on dark mode in Google Chrome. First, open the Chrome browser on your phone or computer. If you're on a computer, click on the three vertical dots in the top right corner to open the menu. Then, go to Settings. Next, scroll down to the Appearance section and look for the Theme option. Click on it, and you'll be redirected to the Chrome Web Store. Here, you can select a dark theme for Chrome. Choose your preferred dark theme and click Add to Chrome. If you're on your phone, go to Settings in Chrome, scroll down, and tap on Theme. Select Dark to enable dark mode. And that's it. Now you can enjoy browsing in dark mode. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.